Here I have POCO M3 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter FastBoot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after device vibrates, you should release power key and keep holding only volume down, and that's how you can enter FastBoot mode. So you don't have any options here in FastBoot mode. The only option you have just to quit this mode. So to do this, all you need to do is just hold down power key for about 5 or 7 seconds, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.